Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
And my dear brothers and sisters, realize as well that patience is so beloved to Allah that of the names of Allah is the one who is patient. As-Saboor. Of the names of Allah is As-Saboor. So Allah characterized Himself with that attribute that He loves so much. And how is Allah As-Saboor? Our Prophet ﷺ gave just one example. Just one example. And of course this name is a whole khutbah in and of itself. He said, Allah, there is no one who is more asbar than Allah. No one has more sabr than Allah. His servants deny Him, curse Him, reject Him. People negate Allah's existence. People say bad things about Allah. And yet He continues to provide for them their needs, their food, their drink, their merriment. SubhanAllah, if somebody says one half bad phrase about us, we abandon him for years. If we hear on the rumor grapevine that somebody has disparaged us, khalas, all good is cut off. Allah Azza wa Jal hears His servants saying such things about Him, rejecting Him, mocking Him, denying Him, and yet look, He is providing for all of them. That's one of the manifestations of His name, As-Saboor. That's one of the manifestations of Allah's sabr. And that is a divine characteristic that we are told to emulate as much as we can. That when something happens, we as well turn the other cheek. We as well demonstrate our patience. My dear brothers and sisters, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in the Quran, وَجَزَاهُمْ بِمَا صَبَرُوا جَنَّةً وَحَرِيرًا. Their reward for having been patient was to enter Jannah and to taste all of the blessings of Jannah.
Allahu Akbar, Allah.